Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I know I have been posting that I have teamed up with a new company called Chalk Couture. I wanted to show you my little starter kit that I got. I say little, it's not very little, it's huge, but I'm going to have to move the box out of the camera just to get it open. So there's lots of good stuff in here. Now, a lot of you will say, what in the world is Chalk Couture? And I'm going to try to explain it to you real quickly, but then I'm going to do some tutorials on all of this. Let me grab this out. My battery is flashing already, so let's see if we can get this done before I run out of battery. Okay, what Chalk Couture is, it's a new company. I think it started last year, and it has chalks, paste, inks, all different kinds of things. These are sticky back, and I would call them stencils, but I think they call them something else. I think they call them templates or transfers is what they call them. So they're sticky back. You put it down on your project, and then you use your chalks, your inks, whatever, to transfer it over. So let's say you wanted to put it on. You get this in your kit too. This is huge. Look at that. If you wanted to put this down on there, you just put it down, stick it down, and then use your paste, your chalks, your inks, and your little squeegees to just put it on there. Now, the good part about Chalk Couture and their inks and paste is all of this can be used on wood, tin, cloth, t-shirts, metal, you name it. You can put this on there. You can put it on. You can put it on glass. You can put it on and wash it off if you don't set it. To set this in, all you do is use heat. Use heat, you set it in, and it's there forever. So if you put this on a t-shirt, let's say I wanted to put this on my t-shirt, I could put that on my t-shirt, set it in with my heat, either my heat tool, my iron, whatever, set that in, and it would be there forever. I could wash it, do whatever, and it's not going to come off. It is just like the screen printing, those little things. It has the little bitty screens in the middle of it so it doesn't clog up, the ink and everything doesn't clog up on there. This is a wonderful project. I can't wait to show you some of the projects that I have in mind. Everything that you see here came in the starter kit. There's a nice apron. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 transfers. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different paste. Then you get 2 of the squeegees. This. And you get some little, these are little like cards that you can hand out to people. And then this is metal. You get this metal plaque. The one that I was just showing you. Let's see, where is it? Right there. I think I'm going to put that on there and put it in my husband and our bedroom and put the date of marriage and all that on there. I think that would be pretty. So I'll probably do this one on a tutorial and show you how all of this works. I can't wait to get started, and I can't wait to order more. If you sign up with this company, you get all of your product for 40% off, which is fantastic. Plus, they send you a 50% off coupon right up front that you can use on tons and tons of products. So I'm very excited to be teamed up with them. I will leave a link below so that you can go over and check out my page. You get a website set up for you, the whole 9 yards, so that you can go over and check that out. But I just can't wait to get started on this. These inks these chalks are white. And this is kind of it's called a school bus yellow. This one's evergreen. This one's coastal blue. And then bubblegum. So those are the ones that came in my kit. Alright guys, that is Chalk Couture, the company that we have teamed up with. I'll be posting more tutorials and more information about this very, very soon. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.